Hey guys, it's Dewey, and today I wanted to show you guys my custom rush mode. We'll be going over the things that you can do in Godot to help you out, like setting up multiple HQs, switching those HQs teams, how to set up each sector and MCOM, along with player spawners, and I'll be sharing with you guys my custom script that I made for this as well, so you guys can implement it straight into your map. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this type of content, and comment your map below if you have something ready to go. Alright guys, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your map is laid out decently enough for your rush. My recommendations are that you put an HQ on each end and put the MCOM in the middle slightly towards Team 2 or the defending side. That way Team 2 has to push a little bit to get to the MCOM to defend it. Getting spawns too close to the defensive side, the attackers will not be able to do anything. So it's good to kind of get the correct spacing. After setting up your HQs, these ones are just the default. We're going to set up our first sector, Sector A. Within Sector A we have two MCOMs, a sector area, and a retreat area, along with a player spawner. And for each HQ, each sector, each MCOM, they will all need a specific object ID that you call out in the script. So for HQs, I'm using 5,000 for Team 1 and 6,000 for Team 2. Sectors, I'm doing hundreds, so Sector A will be 100, Sector B will be 200. And my MCOMs are set 101, 102, 103, etc. I know the numbering system's kind of confusing, I might change it a little bit. Just know that these will just need to match the script in whatever you put. And make sure for the MCOM stations you set the AI Commander world priority to 1. And for your first sector you're going to want to make sure that that's enabled on the start. Set up your sector area, your retreat area. Your retreat from area is going to be your sector area, and your advance from area is also going to be your sector area. Your advance to area is going to be the sector area that you set for the next sector. So Sector A, my advance to area is Sector B. This seems to get the bots to work correctly, so I'm just using it for now, but in the future I may change this. And for the HQs, there's going to be a specific way that we're going to want to set them up. So the very first one, we're going to want Team 1 and neutral with the HQ enabled and a specific object ID number. I'm going to call these three the middle ones for now. These can all be the same pretty much. As you can tell here, we have Team 2 for the regular team, and the alt team we have Team 1, as well as a specific object ID number as well. We're going to want to set it up just like this because once the MCOMs are destroyed, it's going to switch the team to Team 1, and then we're going to move Team 2 over here to this HQ over here. So basically we're just going to be leapfrogging HQs. So we're going to be Team 1, Team 2. Once this sector gets destroyed, this one can stay or be deleted, just depends on what you want. Team 1 will spawn here, and Team 2 will move to the next one. You can duplicate your entire HQ. Just make sure you change the object ID, and make sure all your spawn points are tied to the correct HQ player spawner. To make the player spawner work in each sector, make sure you put the player spawner within the sector, and then call out the available spawn points that you have. I'm just using Team 2 HQ. I'm just using their spawn points, but you'd probably want to set these up for yourself. Now in my script currently, I have 3 vehicle spawners. I have one in Sector B for when Sector B is destroyed and the defense has to push down this hill into Sector C. A helicopter will spawn here for Team 1, and a helicopter will spawn down here for Team 2. Now I also have these called out in my script if you want to see them. Just make sure you look for the object ID number. I try to call them something simple like repeating numbers 5555. For this one I put 8888. For the very last HQ, you're going to want to set it up just like this. You're going to want Team 2 on the team and neutral on the alt team. Once again, a specific object ID number for this one. And a quick note to get your combat area to work correctly. I deleted my collision area out of my combat area. This allows the sector areas to work properly. So basic run through, make sure your HQs are set up for start, middle, and end. Make sure you set up your sectors with the MCOMs, sector area, retreat area, and player spawner. And then lastly, make sure you have one singular deploy cam pointed down wherever you want the middle of your deploy camera. Make sure you export your level, and you should be good. Jump right into the portal editor. Go into your map you want to create. Open the rules editor. And what you're going to want to do if you're starting from scratch is just hit import workspace. Find your file that you want to import, hit import, and it should be right here. Now if you want to add or subtract MCOMs, you can add them here. We just need to add another enable game mode objective and set the MCOM fuse time. This basically takes into account how many MCOMs have been lost. So if you wanted to add a completely new sector, you can go in here and duplicate this, add this to the bottom, change the numbers in here, change the HQ numbers to match. You can pretty much add as many sectors as you want. For today, we're only doing sector A, you start. This is sector B, sector C, and sector D, and then the end game. So basically what this script does is that it creates a list of MCOMs, enables the first two MCOMs and disables the rest, sets all of the fuse times for the MCOMs, and then it checks to see how many MCOMs are destroyed. After the first set of MCOMs are destroyed, it enables sector B. After the second set of MCOMs is destroyed, it enables sector C. And after the third set of MCOMs, it enables sector D. After all of the MCOMs are destroyed, then it ends the game mode. So if you'd like to help me implement some UI elements into this, make sure you download this JSON file in my Discord. I'll have the map and the JSON file ready to download so you can take a look. Once you're done with your script, you want to go over to map rotation and set your map up. Make sure you save, of course, and make sure to test out your map and submit it to my Discord channel when you're done. I really appreciate you guys checking out my video, and the support on the channel has been absolutely crazy. I really hope some of these tutorials have helped you guys out. And make sure to like and subscribe for more, and comment down below if you have a map you want me to check out. Check down in the description for links for everything that I talked about in the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.